Along with social distancing and avoiding close contact, wearing a mask and sanitizing remains among the best ways to protect oneself and others from COVID-19. Masks for Medics founders say they were spurred into action when at the start of the pandemic, many non-hospital-based healthcare workers battled to secure medical-grade PPE.
Our base has been to help individual healthcare workers. So doctors like ourselves, general practitioners, but very much so nurses, carers, physiotherapists, occupational therapists, funeral undertakers, anyone who is at higher risk of contracting COVID-19 and therefore will be taken out of being able to care for others. So we're caring for the carer, because I don't know who else would look after us when we all get sick.
Over the past year, the teams distributed hundreds of thousands of surgical masks, respirators, sanitizers and other PPE across the Western Cape. They've also provided equipment to old age facilities to allow such centres to continue allowing visitors and to keep staff and residents safe.
In a lot of these homes, they shut down, even though we're in level 2. If you go out and go to a doctor's appointment, you come back, you've been out of the home, you're in your room for 10 days. Now, you can imagine how that affects you mentally. So we have to keep these carers who are the smiley faces, the happy people, and the people that bring them their day-to-day sort of happiness and joy, where the families and their friends just can't do that for them at this stage.
With the third wave on the horizon in the Western Cape, they're relaunching their crowdfunding campaign in order to widen their net.
We have, over the last year, distributed close to 10 million rands worth of PPE throughout the Western Cape. We are a Western Cape-based non-profit initiative. So we are about 30% of the way into our target, which we'd like to achieve by the end of June. So we have another month. We're thinking that the Western Cape, the third wave will be surging in the Western Cape probably in about 2 weeks' time. Excuse me. So we really need to get our fundraising in as soon as we can.
Donations can be made via the initiative's Back a Buddy campaign. Despite the vaccine rollout, citizens are being urged to continue wearing masks and social distancing to flatten the curve of new infections. Vanessa Puna, SABC News, Cape Town.